one of the things I want to see before I die.
Yeah. Share it this way, isn't it?